KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's MC1000 is a master controller for the compass control system and a control interface for third-party control systems to connect and control KeyDigital's enterprise AV over IP system. Now, when used as a compass control master controller, this thing is super dynamic. What do I mean? It's going to live on your network, and your iOS devices for the compass control app will communicate over the network into your MC1000, informing it to execute IR commands, RS-232, voltage sensing, or voltage triggering on any of these ports. They're totally flexible. In addition, you also have a 3-port relay that you can use here. And because it is network-based, if this many ports, and then also a dedicated RS-232, bidirectional by the way, if this is not enough ports, you just purchase another, in order to accommodate as many devices as you need to control via IR, RS-232, or voltage. Compass control lives on a network, so remember, it's network-based. Network control doesn't require any ports from your control system. For more information on Compass Control Professional, you go to keydigital.com and hit that login button in the top right corner of the web page to gain access to our dealer profile and training areas.